Did you know that you can get business funding just by getting business certifications? There are many, countless of business certifications that you can get that can help you get business funding. And this is what we are going to be digging deep into today. So let's go. Let's go.
Diamonds and rubies, pearls and nice jewelry, matching bags with shoes, and they calling her real bougie. That modest woman, she's a real cutie. That modest woman, she's a real cutie. Her smell, vanilla and patchouli, clothes draping real loosely, versatile. Timeless, stylish, shining, putting smiles on their faces. Can't tell what her age is. That modest woman, she's a real cutie. That modest woman, she's a real cutie. Stay fresh, stay fly.
Hello, everyone. My name is Idaya. I'm the owner and the creative designer behind Cover Me Cute. At Cover Me Cute, we help busy women save time and boost self confidence by designing show stopping, size inclusive, effortless, modest fashion. Apart from being a fashion designer, I'm also a business coach, I'm a business mentor. I have over a decade of business experience. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm a nurse, and I love absolutely everything I do. Today, we are talking about business certification. I know it might be new to you. I know you might never have heard this before, but this video was made for you because I want you to know. Because there's so much you can gain from little information that sometimes when you know it, you think everybody knows it, which is not true. So this is why I decided to create this video today. But before we go further, have you subscribed to the Wealthy Mom Club? Have you subscribed to this channel? Hit the subscription and join the family. Like, become my sibling today. Okay. And if you are not a new member, if you are one of our old members, welcome back again. And tell me a little bit about your business below. Like, sell yourself in the comment section. A lot of times, as business owners, we hesitate to talk about our business. We don't want to sound salesy. But honestly, if I wake you up in the middle of the night, if I give you 15 seconds, you should be able to sell me your business. So sell me your business in the comment with only one sentence below. Like I said earlier, what is a business certification? So there are different organizations that provide certification depending on what category you fall into. So let's take me for example. Let's take Cover Me Cute for example, my clothing brand. Because I'm a woman, it's owned by 100% women-owned business. I qualify for a women-owned business certification. Because I'm a black minority woman owned business, I also qualify for a minority owned business certification. If I was a veteran, right, I would also qualify for a veteran owned business certification. There are so many business certifications that you can apply for that will help you take your business to the next level when it comes to visibility, funding opportunities, and creating awareness to your business, and even getting found by government officials and even getting government contracts. Okay, so Idaya, I get it. It sounds good, but what am I going to do to get certified? This is a good question. I want you to go online, or you have two options. If you're the kind of independent person that is really good with the internet, go online and put in on Google how to get certified as a woman owned business. This is just an example. If you are not good with the computer, which is absolutely okay to ask for help, look for a small business center near you. Every single neighborhood in the United States has a small business center. It could be a minority owned business center, it could be a small business center, it could be an Arbor League, whatever they decide to name the business center. Look for small business centers near you. Walk into there, join and become a member, and ask them to help you through the process of getting your certification. Because I'm not going to lie to you that the certification process is super easy. It pretty much takes between 3 to 6 months to get certified. You're going to have to do a lot of documentation. They're going to ask you a lot of questions. You're going to go through an interview so they can make sure that at least you are what you say you are. Right? Some people even some government officials even do walk-ins, like they'll walk into your store to make sure you are a legit store. But it's worth it. It is absolutely worth it because there are some applications when you want to win grants or you need a business loan. The first thing they'll ask you is, are you certified? If you want to get your products into big brand companies like Target, like Walmart, like Macy's, one of the requirements is to be a certified business. This is because certification just gives them that guarantee that you are not just a side hustle. You are not just a business running from your basement. Even if you are running from the basement, the government of your state recognizes you as a legit business. Everybody wants to work with something legit. Nobody wants to work with. That's why I say, even if you have a side hustle, don't present it as a side hustle. Present it as a full business because you will be addressed the way you are dressed. Okay. So, and it's also part of your network. Because I remember when I got certified, even before I finished the certification program, I already got an opportunity to join a group that they would have not known about me. They would have not known, been able to ask me if I wanted to join the business coaching group if they didn't know about my business. If I didn't come to them to ask for help to get certified, they won't even know I exist. So going into the community, building relationship with small business centers can really, really help you, regardless of if your customers are within your city or outside. It can help you grow your business because then you're putting yourself in front of the government. You're putting yourself in front of your local cities. So when they have something, maybe like a contract or somebody else needs like your service, you'll be the top, on the top of their head. I got this story. I was opportune to work with one of the small business and a lot two of the small business centers in my city, and they told us this story about this lady that um this celebrity that lives in Hollywood, and she wanted to have, I think, a birthday party, but she wanted everything that she wanted to use for the birthday party to be made locally from her hometown. And she was from Cleveland because I live in Cleveland, right? And so she called the small business center in Cleveland like, "Hey, I need flower arrangement service, I need food and catering, and I want it to be made by black owned businesses, everything, because I want to support people from my city." And they said the first people that came to their mind was the people that already registered with them, that had business certification. And this celebrity interviewed three of the flower arrangement, and she gave the contract to one local small business. Like that one contract from a huge celebrity changed the her it could change your life as well. Like that one huge contract that they might pay like 50, 60, $70,000 for you to execute. Now, the contract, you executing the contract, right, is just the beginning of just your new beginning. Because what happens is when people get into that event space and they see that floral arrangement, they're like, "Oh my god, I love this floral arrangement. Who made it for you?" They're gonna start getting your contract because you're gonna let your work speak for itself. So now you're gonna get all these celebrities calling you when they have special events for their floral arrangement, just because of that one opportunity, just because you reached out to a small business, just because you gained your certification. I hope at this point you have subscribed to this channel, because on this channel, all we are giving is gems, and our major focus is to build a legacy so you can pass it from one generation to the other, and you can build multiple businesses and you can sell them as much as you want to sell them, or you can keep them and let your kids or your grandkids inherit them. Um, we also have a program, the our Patreon. If you are looking to get more insight on your business, or you want to start writing business grants and you want to actually win the business grant, you need to join our Patreon. But if you're stuck in your business, you're not making consistent sales on a daily basis, or you have a business idea and you want to bring it to life, you need to book a free 15-minute consultation. The link will also be below, and I can't wait to see you. behind, like inside, join the family. But I hope this video helps you. If it has, can you please hit the red button below the subscription, hit the subscription, and also share this video with some small businesses that might have been in business for a long time and they do not even know they need a certification. This certification can help you get grants for the government, can help you get business loan from the government and from other small business, from other organizations as well. But if you do not share this video and they don't know, then how would they know? Right? So share this with family, with friends, with you can even share it with your enemy for real. So they can stop, so they can focus on something else, so they can stop focusing on you. I'm just kidding. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to tell me about your business below. And if you have a business, if you have a video suggestion, if you have a question, if you have a request, you want me to make a video on a specific topic that pertains to business, comment below and I will go through the comments and I'll make it happen. Okay. Hope to see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Don't forget to subscribe.